Hi, I'm Sujata. I have 11 years of experience in wide array of corporate setting, and currently I'm working as a change manager with Wipro. So Vijay has been my coach and mentor for last 4 years, and receiving coaching from him has been one of the most rewarding experience of my life. Vijay and PIM has shaped me in a better person and helped me understand the fundamentals of life on a practical level. So here are some key benefits of his coaching, which I summarized in 3 P's. So the very first P is people, because I am, dealing with people day in, day out, and understanding and knowing human personalities and, connecting with them according to their personalities has helped me not only align my stakeholders in my professional life, but also helped me build a beautiful relationship at home. The second piece, which each person today, is struggling or, trying to find it out, is passion. So, that was the most challenging element for me also. And narrowing down to my passion with his guidance really helped me. And today I'm doing what I love, what I enjoy. And not only that, but I am being paid for doing what I love. So that's the kind of transformation I have seen by, identifying my passion. And the third and most important P is the priority. So, prior meeting to Vijay, I was trying to do everything. When I say everything, I mean everything within the stipulated time. And it always led to a crisis situation. But then I understood, what is important cannot be always urgent, and what is urgent cannot be important always. So getting the priorities sorted, understanding the fundamentals of priority is very important. Now I have all my priorities sorted. It's never the matter of time, but it is always the matter of priority. So now I know where I need to invest my time and what I can delegate for sure.